Right, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 560 model. It's one of the most popular models from iRobots that everybody likes, and they are awesome. So, it's a used item. It's in excellent condition, and the battery lasts about an hour. So anyways, I'll show you what I got here. We got the docking station, which is in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. If you guys have any questions, let me know. So you got the virtual wall lighthouses right here, also in great shape, and the power adapter charger. You got the cleaning tool right here, and 3 brand new filters. Alrighty, and here's the Roomba itself. It's in a great shape. So just like small, tiny little scratches, maybe some places, but otherwise it looks great. So in pictures you guys might see more details. So I'll flip over. So overall looks great. You get the really nice 3-legged brush right here, so nice and clean. The front wheel is also in excellent condition. There's the model 560. The brushes have been cleaned out. The whole robot and all the parts have been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes. So again, very nice, clean robot. The gearbox has been cleaned out. Make sure there's nothing in there, and re-lubed, so you get long-lasting robot life here. So I'll show you the serial number there too. Alright, serial number there, in case you guys wondering. Alrighty, and the dust bin, vacuum bin, everything has been cleaned thoroughly. So it's a nice clean robot. I'll show you how it works. Let's push the button. It works great, no issues. It has been thoroughly tested out and double checked for make sure it's working good. So it works great. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Happy bidding.